ओके ठीक है. Good afternoon all. We'll start our uh, discussions, objective discussions on uh, Indian geography. Since we know that this geography is particularly important for your preliminary examination, so hence uh, the questions currently now asked on basis on your objective round. Particularly this is on your objective, particularly in the prelims we will ask this one is your objective round. Prelims objective, basically objective round. But now starting from current year, this year onwards, these questions are you incorporate your conceptual base, particularly conceptual based questions. They are incorporated in the conceptual base. Hence we have to discuss the concept wise facts also. It will be much more helpful. So let us start now. First, we'll check this. What is this Loktak Lake situated? Loktak Lake is where your Kerala, Uttaranchal, Manipur, and Rajasthan. Where is Loktak Lake? So, from the choice, as I said, from the choice we have to get the answer, and after every subsequent two questions, we will discuss the answers, and that to be in an analytical manner. So here answer is your Loktak Lake is in Manipur. We will discuss in detail. Then, which of the following water bodies separates the Andamans from the Nicobar? Which are the following water bodies that separates the Andaman from Nicobar Island particularly? So option 1 is your 11-degree channel, particularly 11-degree channel. Then your Gulf of Mannar, okay, Gulf of Mannar, then 10-degree channel and Andaman Sea. Which one? See this one. Separates Andaman from Nicobar. It is answer is your, that is your C, that is 10-degree channel. Okay, we'll discuss. Now let's see. Loktak Lake, basically it is situated in the Indian states of Manipur. Manipur is the state in the northeastern regions. Okay, here if I draw the thematic map here, okay, Manipur is here. Okay, Manipur is here. Loktak Lake. It is the largest freshwater lake, means sweet lake in the northeast India. Basically, in the northeastern India, it is largest freshwater lake. Also called the only floating lake in the world. Okay, it is the only floating lake in the world due to the floating phumdis. Okay, due to the floating phumdis, that is heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil, and organic matter at various stages of decomposition. This floating lake in the world due to the floating phumdis, that is heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil, and organic matters at various stages of decomposition. Particularly floating phumdis. Phumdis is basically it is called as your vegetations, particularly vegetative material, heterogeneous, particular organic. जोटा कि आम ओडिया रे बड़े बड़े ताको को दल गाड़िया बोली को. ठीक है. And it is locating in the that is Moirang in the Manipur state of India. This is in the Moirang district in Manipur. Loktak means lok, which is means stream, and tak means the end. The Kebul Lamjau National Park, if I say the Kebul Lamjau National Park, which is the least natural refuge of the endangered Sangai or Manipuri brow antlered deer. Particularly, the Kebul Lamjau National Park, why it is famous? Kebul Lamjau National Park is famous for your endangered, if I say that is endangered Sangai. Okay, endangered Sangai, or particularly it is an particular species of deer, harina population, deer population, which is your endemic to this particular national park, Kebul Lamjaw National Park. This is one of those 3 species covering, and this is also another that is your also seeing that is your musk also seen. Musk also that is one variety of animal species that is also seen in this Kebul Lamjaw Park also. But here there is this antlered deer, or the particularly this endangered Shanghai deer. This is also seen here, and we can say this Kebul Lamjaw it covers 40 square kilometer area. 40 square kilometer area covering. It is situated in the southeastern source of this lake and is the largest of all the fumdis in the lakes. Southeastern lake, and it is the largest of all fumdis in the lake. Kebul Lamjaw National Park is India famous. It is only because of, we can say, this is the only floating national park in India. Only floating national park in India. 10-degree channel. Next question next question it is your, which is the following water body separates Andaman from Nicobar. Andaman from Nicobar, 10-degree channel is a channel that separates the Little Andaman and Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal, particularly. Little Andaman and the Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Andamans are here. North Andaman, just let me draw this diagram. North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman, this is Little Andaman, and here it is your Nicobar group of islands. This is your Andamans, this is, we can say, these are your Andamans, and this is your Nicobar. Andaman, this is your North, Middle, South Andaman, and this is your Little Andaman, and these are all group of Nicobar Islands. This particular line which demarcates or separates Andaman from Nicobar, that is your 10-degree channel. 10-degree channel is a channel that separates the Little Andaman from the Car Nicobar. This is the Little Andaman that we have specified here. This is the Little Andaman that separates Little Andaman from and Car Nicobar in Bay of Bengal. The two sets of islands together form the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, these two sets of form currently your Andamans and Nicobar Islands. This channel is basically 150 km wide. This 10-degree channel this 10-degree channel, this is basically your 150 km wide. It is said that western trade winds was used by Arabians. Okay, they crossed through this channel in the 15th century, basically. Western Caribbean use when they want to cross the islands, particularly this particularly 10-degree channel. Next question, Jiva Puni. In the Andamans capital, Andaman Nicobar Port Blair. Port Blair is now developed for your commercial variety, means particularly Port Blair developed for your tourism development. By Government of India also investing lots of rupees for development of tourism, okay, in Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar both. Next, which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Largest river basin ke the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the Krishna. Has the largest river basin: Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Krishna. I am specifying here in question is है question रे इटा trick है in India मु लिखी है दिया है question रे है Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Krishna. So the answer देखो it is your Ganges. ठीक है, so we'll explain this one. है this type of question रे कौन अच्छे इतने wordings गुड़ा बहुत important है wordings टाइप बहुत important. Next, in which among the following state or UT located Banihal Pass? Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim. State at UT is located your Banihal Pass. It is your Jammu and Kashmir. This is your Jammu and Kashmir basically. Banihal Pass. Next देखिए Jammu Kashmir is no more a state now. It is currently as recognized as UT. अच्छा, Ganga River Basin जब हम देखिए is the largest one in India. Ganga River Basin है largest. The length of this river basin is over 2500 km. Length of this river basin is near about 2500 km, particularly 2500 km. The Ganga originates from Gangotri, situated in the glaciers of Bhagirathi. Ganga originates from Gangotri glacier to in the glaciers of Bhagirathi. It is a good जिनसे रिवर बेसिन देखिए गंगा है लार्जेस्ट किंतु जदि हम ये देखिए इंडस गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र और कृष्णा भितर जब देखिए द लार्जेस्ट रिवर बेसिन किए गंगा है इंडिया रे किंतु जदि एक्चुअली जदि हम देखिए बेसिन भितर सब बड़ किए देन योर प्रथम आसो इंडस है टोटल ऊपर देन ब्रह्मपुत्र देन गंगा और तापर कृष्णा है तो जेहेतु इंडस और ब्रह्मपुत्र है मुझे लिखुची सिंस इंडस द रिवर इंडस रिवर एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र both flows maximum of their course outside India, they outside India they cover little means I mean little no they cover for less basin area in comparison to Krishna, in comparison to Ganga. Okay, so this is the correct explanation of this one. Next देखिए in which of the following states are UT located Banihal Pass है UT is देखना जम्मू एंड कश्मीर Banihal Pass जब मुझे देखिए Banihal Pass है वर्तमान your state union territory देखिए state it is your in Jammu and Kashmir Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass is a mountain pass across the Pir Panjal range at 2832 meter. Pir Panjal range re Banihal Pass it is near about 9291 feet maximum elevation. This mountain range connects the Kashmir Valley in the Indian UT of Jammu and Kashmir to the outer Himalayas and plains to the south. To the outer Himalayas and plains of the south particularly. Right? Kashmir Valley in the Indian UTs of Jammu and Kashmir to the outer Himalaya and the plains of the south. Banihal Pass basically Jammu and Kashmir रे हम कहि परिबा. Okay. जदि मुझे बनाऊँगी डायग्राम इट विल बी मोर क्लियर. It is Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailas. Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailas, Jhaskar, Pir Panjal, Dholadhar, Pir Panjal, Dholadhar. तो ये जो हमें देखियो जदि पीर पांजाल रेंज और यार भीतर एटी अछि ये दिस इज द पास. This is the mountain pass. Particularly, it is a mountain pass. This is your Banihal Pass. This is Banihal Pass. But one Banihal Pass, one other your Indian Army, they are getting maximum help from that one. They can help the insurgency, means border infiltration जो होची Pakistan में, they can also check there that point. ठीक अछि. Next point देखिए. Next question. Who among the following first person to scale Mount Everest without supplement of oxygen? किए से बिना ऑक्सीजन रे प्रथम किए चढ़थिले? Who can say? Hello? Terence Bannon, Duncan Chazelle, Reynold Messner, and Jean Toilette. Reynold Bannon, Duncan Chazelle, Reynold Messner, and Jean Toilette. Yes. So it is equation. It is your Mount Everest chढ़थिले. That is your Reynold Messner. Then through which of the following states the Chambal River does not flow? Chambal River does not flow. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. If you can say, your answer is your D, Gujarat. Mapping ta देखियोटा बहुत जरूरी है. बिना मैप रे it is very difficult to give the proper correct answers particularly. ठीक अछि. तो जदि हम देखिबा कि चंबल रिवर ऊपर जदि हम डिस्कस करिबा चंबल रिवर है one of the tributary of Yamuna. We will discuss now. देखिए बर्तमान रेनॉल्ड मेजनर का विषय जदि जानिबा. Reynold Messner, German, he is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. He is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen, particularly. Along with Peter Habler, in 1978, he is also the first climber to ascend all 14 peaks over 8,000 meters. Reynold Messner is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplement oxygen with Peter Habler 1978 and also the first climber to ascend all the 14 peaks over 8,000 meters above the sea level including the Mount Everest. So German Reynold Messner is basically he was very bold. And he did it on 1978. When nihati kamra as it approximate 45 years. 45 years. It mainly did it. गुजरात जो देखिए चंबल रिवर गुजरात देखी चंबल रिवर जाइन. Chambal River जब हम कही बेटी Chambal River is a tributary of ओके गुजरात जब देखिए ये हमें this is your there and this is your Satpura. चंबल रिवर इटू अखर बाहर के ऊपर रे होची पर्टिकुलरली है तो एई जगह गला बेलू दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज योर मध्य प्रदेश and it also flows through the borders of Rajasthan है सो चंबल रिवर जो देखियो चंबल रिवर गुजरात देखिए फ्लो करूनी भी बिल्कुल ओके चंबल रिवर राजस्थान बॉर्डर देखिए पास करियो छ चंबल रिवर इज वन ऑफ द important river also okay Chambal river is a tributary of Yamuna river is a tributary of is a tributary of Jamuna river. The river flows through the northeast to the Madhya Pradesh is northeast flow करছে and running for a time through Rajasthan. Then between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh before turning to southeast to the Yamuna and the Uttar Pradesh. कौन होची चंबल ର flow मन रख north to south को होची चंबल जो flow करची तो because of the city सेमती किसी slope थियो जो तरह की होची and it mainly cross करची boundary between the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh के river flows through the forming the boundary between मने river टा before turning to southeast to join Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh है तो जोड़ा कुहा होची उत्तर प्रदेश रा particularly this is Allahabad जो रहुची जोड़ा की वर्तमान ता ना हिचे that is your Prayagraj Allahabad जो देखना था Prayagraj हिचे सेठी आसी your जोटी हम जानी चंदी जेटी again गंगा यमुना और सरस्वती actually देखियो particularly the existence of Ganga माने रहुची है ना गंगा यमुना but particularly सरस्वती existence से माने कहते कि it is maybe the beneath the plate or माने I mean under अच्छी so it is subjected to your discussions माने I mean your debatable okay next question देखियो Sir-Hind Canal is located in which river? Sir-Hind Canal is located on which river? Satluj, Ravi, Beas, or none of the above. Sir-Hind Canal. Sir-Hind Canal is basically it is located in the Satluj River. Right? Satluj River upar Sir-Hind Canal. We will discuss this one. Sir-Hind Canal. We'll discuss then. Chamera Dam is located in which state? Chamera Dam. The Chamera Dam is in it is located in the which state? Puducherry, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand. The Chamera Dam, it is located in the it is Himachal Pradesh. See. Okay. देखिए ना आंसर ठीक अच्छे चमेरा डैम हिमाचल प्रदेश दिस इज इन सतलुज नेक्स्ट देखिए Sir-Hind Canal जोड़ा कि हमें देखिए सॉरी Syrian Canal जोटा कि हम कहले कि सतलुज ऊपर Syrian Canal Syrian Canal is a large irrigation canal that carries water from the Satluj river in the Punjab in India particularly कौन होची it is the large irrigation canal Syrian Canal जोटा कि water नोची उठो Punjab state river in Satluj river in Punjab Syrian Canal it is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation works in the Indus River. Indus River it is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation works in the Indus River and was inaugurated particularly in 1882. 1882 मसीह এটা inaugurate ହେଇଥିଲା particularly. This canal particularly begins near the Ropar city in Roopnagar district of Punjab. It is the Ropar district in the Roopnagar district of Punjab. Syrian Canal, it is near about British time, 1882 AD. Next, Himachal Pradesh देखिए Himachal the Chamera Dam. The Chamera Dam there is near the town of Dalhousie in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. Dalhousie in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. It impounds the river Ravi and supports the Chamera Dam, Dalhousie, Himachal Pradesh impounds river Ravi, support highlight city projects in this region. This reservoir of the dam is called the Chamera Lake. अच्छा यार फिर मैं आगे interesting जिनसे कोई भी है Dalhousie is one of the famous hill stations. Dalhousie is one of the famous hill stations. Particularly, this is British time, British colony वाले चौना बने थे British time रे. This is one of the Himalaya, मैंने particularly देखिए this is very beautiful hill station Dalhousie and most crowded, one of the most crowded Himachal, here Dalhousie. The unique feature of this region, particularly this unique feature of this region is fluctuating day and night temperature. Fluctuating day and night temperature. The temperature during the day near the dam rises to 35 degrees Celsius and drops a minimum to 18 to 20 degree night. Rise up to that is up to 35 degrees centigrade and तौल खसिया से about 18 to 20 degrees centigrade. The water level in the Chamera Lake rises to a maximum of 763 meters while the minimum level is 747 meters particularly. So Chamera Dam, that is one of the important hydroelectric power source of generations in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. Next, which of the following river is known as Padma when it enters to the Bangladesh? This is Brahmaputra, Ganga, Tista, and Mahanadi river. Question now to repeat. Which of the following river is known as Padma? Padma river when it enters the Bangladesh. Padma जैसे देखिए Padma it is Padma ना it is your Ganga, B for Bombay, Ganga. We'll discuss next. Which of the following countries has world 25% thorium reserves? Countries has world's 25% of thorium reserves. Thorium reserves कहाँ रही? 25% जब देखिए it is India, China, Russia and USA and Russia. 25% क्या पाकर अच्छी देखिए आंसर it is A है आंसर वाला A. डिस्कस करिए. नेक्स्ट देखिए गंगा जब कहमु है पद्मा जो कहे और पोद्दा इन बेंगोली इज अ मेजर रिवर इन बांग्लादेश. पद्मा और पोद्दा and India downstream Indian downstream of your Giria is the main distributary of Ganga. Main distributary. It is the main distributary Ganga flowing generally southeast of 120 km to the south towards confluence with the Meghna river near Bay of Bengal. The city Rajshahi is located at the bank of the river. अच्छा ये जब मुझे कहि गोटे जिन जैसे डायग्राम को देखो आप आहरी क्लीयर हो. Just a minute. गंगा ये बाहर के आसिक ये एंटर कर ब्रह्मपुत्र ये आसिक पुणी ये एंटर कर सपोज ये बनैली दिस इज योर this is your Ganga and this is your Brahmaputra and particularly the data देखिए this is मेघना है गंगा और ब्रह्मपुत्र एक मेघना जोटा कि ब्रह्मपुत्र पर्टिकुलरली जदि कह इट इज द नेम दैट इट इज नेम आज योर जमुना और पद्मा जो नाटा से गंगा है पद्मा नाटा है गंगा. सो दिस इज द थिंग है गंगा पद्मा नाटा है गंगा रे आउ ब्रह्मपुत्र है जमुना से मिसिक कन्फ्लुएंस रही जोटा मेघना कह. सो इट इज क्लीयर ना. पूर्व क्वेश्चन आज देखिए आम 25% रिजर्व्स इंडिया को मैंने जब देखिए है इंडिया से देखिए मॉडेस्ट यूरेनियम रिजर्व्स है व्हेयर एज इट इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट थोरियम रिजर्व्स इन द वर्ल्ड. वर्ल्ड जब जितकी थोरियम रिजर्व्स अच्छे भितर इंडिया है लार्जेस्ट थोरियम रिजर्व्स. थोरियम despite its greater abundance in nature and a number of superior characteristics है thorium greater abundance in nature and number of superior characteristics thorium है. The fertile thorium 232 has to be converted into uranium 233 है लिखिए fertile thorium uranium 232 converted into uranium 233. Okay, first uranium 233 first used for the nuclear reactor nuclear reactor में यूज होता and deposits ये dominated in the states of Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. अच्छा ये जब मैं बनने भी ओके जब इट कहि तो टोटल स्टेट्स ऊपर इठी माने इठी along this is your West Bengal then total till West Bengal till Odisha, Andhra. These are the coastal states that get major dominance of your, and Kerala also major dominance of your reserves of thorium reserves in the sands of mane valley of Kerala. Maximum plus effort भी अच्छा है. Apart from that also छोटा नागपुर plateau रे भी किसी जगह रे मिलुची अलगा रे. थोरियम reserves. थोरियम टा वर्तमान कौन हो? More in compared to uranium, it is less emitting your particularly hazardous rays. That is why thorium also it is also fuel efficient. So एटा को कंपैरिजन रखिए कि थोरियम 232 प्रोडक्शंस करा होची मेनली. नेक्स्ट देखिए arid forest research institute indicated arid research forest institute is located at Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and Kerala. Arid research देखियो it is located in the states of Rajasthan. We'll discuss this one. Then bring out the incorrectly matched pair किया मित्रों. Viral Silul project Himachal Pradesh, Solal project Jammu and Kashmir, then your Kanpur project is in Uttar Pradesh, then your Koil Karo it is in the Bihar. Koil Karo la Bihar, Viral Silul Himachal, Solal Jammu Kashmir, Tanpura is Uttar Pradesh. And with the odd question देखियो, with the wrong pair that is Koil Karo is not Bihar. It is in Jharkhand. देखियो वर्तमान आंसर एनालिसिस टा राजस्थान जे देखियो राजस्थान रा जोधपुर शहर टा जोधपुर हला गोटे हला जयपुर आ गोटे अछि तमर जोधपुर जोटा कि GODH हला C हला GAI तो जोधपुर जे देखियो हला जोधपुर this research organization study mainly the climatic phenomena on western side of the country, particularly जो हमारा third desert अच्छी यदि कहेगी it is जो हमारा इंडिया राइट ही third desert अच्छी it है तो mainly okay this is your third desert. Third desert जहाँ भी सेठिकार पानी पाग जहाँ भी जिनसे particularly it is well noticeable from that regions particularly. Next देखो तो कोयल कारो project in Bihar. Like देखो तो कोयल कारो project is in it is not in Bihar. It hala this is wrong. Actually कोयल कारो project that is situated in your Jharkhand. Okay, it is in the Jharkhand. Koil Karo project in Jharkhand. South Koil River runs across the Jharkhand and Odisha states of India. It originates on the Ranchi Plateau. Originates with Ranchi Plateau. Hazaribagh रे ऊपर plateau टा हला. Hazaribagh रे ऊपर percent हला that is your sorry this is जदि मैं लिखियो एटा total जब लिखियो this is your छोटा छोटा नागपुर plateau रे ऊपर टा हला that is your Hazaribagh plateau and this is your okay. So this is your Hazaribagh plateau and this is your Ranchi plateau. है तो इटा में मन रखी दिवा कि टोटल छोटा नागपुर plateau रो नॉर्दर्न परसेंट हला नॉर्थ हला तमरो Hazaribagh ठीक अछि मैप रे देखि परथबो Hazaribagh plateau and साउथ रा हला तमरो this is your साउथ रहा तुम रांची प्लाट्यू है तो ये आम देखिए कौन इट ऑरिजिनेट्स नियर रांची प्लाट्यू पाखे बाहर a few miles east of Ranchi and co-joins the Belsnagar and Singbum rivers. The coel is fed by three streams in Jharkhand, namely North Karo, South Karo and Koyna. The South Coel river enters Odisha, this is correct, and the Sank river at Vedabas near Raukla, where it named as Brahmani. Very simple, I am जानते हैं Brahmani river origin. Right? Next question देखिए. The water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the following river. Which of the following rivers water comes to the Indira Gandhi Canal? Satluj, Ravi, and Chenab. है इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल टा हमर कोठी अछि सतलुज तो खाली केबे हबनी सतलुज बीज रवि चेन्नाब भी ना दिटा न रहला बी आउ सी भीतर सतलुज बीज भी ठीक सतलुज बीज एंड रवि आंसर इट हला बी सतलुज आउ बीज ओनली ठीक अछि डिस्कस करियो नेक्स्ट which one of the following states in India has the highest production of large cardamom है ना large cardamom माने जोडा कि हम कहूछु कोटा अळैच जोडा खाउछ अळैच particularly large cardamom जे देखिबा अळैच इतरी कि तमरा हला इट इज सिक्किम ए है डिस्कस करिवा Indira Gandhi Canal, which is originally is the longest canal of India. India है सबुठु बड़ canal. जैसे कि मु डायग्राम कले भारी बेटर देखा हो. Indira Gandhi Canal जब हम देखिबा एठी हरिके पंजाब रो आसी टोटल राजस्थान रो टोटल एति ना दिस इज योर demarcation line. This is your Indira Gandhi Canal particularly. Indira Gandhi Canal जोटा कि longest canal of India, it is near about पाखापाखि 850 किलोमीटर लंबा. It starts from Harike barrage at Harike, a few kilometers below the confluence of Satluj and Bees river in the Indian states of Punjab particularly, and terminates in the irrigation facilities in the third desert basically. Irrigation facilities of third desert and of the Rajasthan also. Sikkim देखिए large cardamom, particularly large cardamom is cultivated in the sub-Himalayan regions of northeastern India, Nepal and Bhutan. Sub-Himalayan regions of northeastern India, Nepal and Bhutan. Large cardamom mineral general देखा जाए northeastern India, Nepal, Bhutan. It is growing in the cold, humid conditions. मन रखो cardamom टा कोथि हुए basically. Cardamom is basically cold, humid conditions. Cold, humid conditions रे it basically we under the shade of trees and at an altitude of between and at an altitude of between 800 to 2000 meter भितर देखा जाए above the MSL with an average precipitation near about माने 300 है ना 300 to 350 सेंटीमीटर वर्षा रे भी 350 सेंटीमीटर सर as appeared over the 200 days and with the temperature ranging 6 to 30 degree range. Large cardamom पाई सिक्किम है फेमस इंडिया फेमस है ना दूसरे की स्मॉल कार्डामम तुम देखा कोटी केरला लार्ज कार्डामम है योर सिक्किम है ना एटा मन रखते दिस इज वन इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लार्ज कार्डामम कोटी देखा जाए पुणी स्मॉल कार्डामम जेमती पर्टिकुलरली तले ब्रिटिश माने आस्तेले दे चूज इंडिया प्रथम करते कोन दैट इज सोने कोन डायग्राम बनेथिले स्पाइसेस है स्पाइसेस थिला हमर इंडिया रा मेन जोटा कि मोस्ट अट्रैक्टिव थिला स्पाइसेस है आ स्पाइस को देखिक ही से माने आस्ते माने मसला जो जिनसटा को दे प्रथम पोर्तुगीज डच है ठीक अछि स्पाइसेस रे तमर जीव कोन क्लोव्स जीव है then है क्लोव्स cardamom ginger then ginger और लहसुन को ना so these are all comes under your spices. Next question लिखो in which of the following northeast states Kapoli hydropower project is located? Kapoli, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura and Nagaland. Kapoli hydropower project is located. The Kapoli hydropower project is on your Assam. We'll discuss. Okay? Next, which among the following is a typical monsoon vegetation in India? Tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, tropical thorn forest and subtropical evergreen forest. कोटा भितर typical monsoon vegetation in India. है यदि हम देखिए it is B for Bombay, that is tropical deciduous forest है Kapoli River, which is named under Saga Kapila, is an interstate river of northeastern India. Northeastern India, it is an interstate river, Kapoli River. It flows through the states of. It flows through the state of. It flows through the states of Meghalaya and Assam, and is the largest south bank tributary of Brahmaputra. है साउथ बैंक ट्राइब्यूटरी ब्रह्मपुत्र जेतिक अछि ताटो सबुड बड़ हला तमरा ए कोपिली रिवर है इट इज द लार्जेस्ट साउथ बैंक ट्राइब्यूटरी ऑफ Brahmaputra. Kopili originates in the Meghalaya plateau Kopili baharchi and flows through the central Assam and hill districts of Assam. ठीक है सेंट्रल इरु बाहरी के तमन Assam रे हिल डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे Assam पसी before its confluence with the Brahmaputra. Before it is the confluence with the Brahmaputra. It will be more clear. This is your Meghalaya plateau. A to Bahari ke then Assam re, okay, asla pare confluence with Brahmaputra. Then the water ko divert flows to the central Assam and hill of Assam will confluence with the Brahmaputra. In Assam it drains the districts of Kuku district. It is Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao, Kamrup and Nagaon. Karbi Hasao. Okay. It is Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao, and if we say it is Kamrup and Nagaon. Kamrup and Nagaon, particularly major state the flow. This river flows for a length of total 290 km. Kapoli river 290 km flow korchi and has a catchment area of 16,420 km. And it is noted that several spectacular waterfalls along the course, which have several deep gorges and rapids. In the river जो course रे several deep gorges है गंडा अच्छी and rapids भी अच्छी particularly है deep gorges and rapids, several deep gorges and rapids found in this river course particularly. River course माने deep gorges माने your कहते समुद्र गंडा कहते नदी. Next देखिए tropical deciduous forest है इंडिया सबुठु इंडिया as per the India's question था typical monsoon vegetation in India. Monsoon vegetation देखिए typical, that is your deciduous forest basically. It is your basically deciduous forest. Deciduous forest कौन रोची? Deciduous forest vegetation जदि मैं देखिए deciduous forest are basically possess monsoon vegetation. Deciduous माने मु आगुर कहथि trees तंगर हैला they shed their leaves, shed their leaves, shed their leaves in order to check moisture loss in moistureless in dry season, basically moistureless in dry season. Next question, largest brackish water lagoon in Asia is located in which among the following? Brackish water lagoon जो देखिए is located in which among the following state? Brackish water lagoon टा को state रे which brackish water lagoon? This is number 1 your Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Odisha. Largest backwater lagoon of Asia, it is none other than our Odisha, that is Chilka. Discuss kariye, this is Chilka Lake. Next, consider the following: clover, sugarcane, alfalfa. Which among the following above are plantation crops? Plantation crops. Clover, sugarcane, alfalfa. So it is answer A. It is clover or sugarcane. Oh, I'm sorry. It is clover sugarcane. I'm sorry. It is only 2. That is sorry. It is sugarcane only. Okay. Just read it in a crops. तो clover और alfalfa जब हम देखियो plantation crop जब देखियो plantation crops रे सब आने आसी. There are the different categories. Alfalfa is basically nutritious grass. हम discuss करिवे. नेक्स्ट देखिए है एटा कर दो प्लांटेशन बेसिकली कौन इज ए लार्ज फार्म सेक्टर और स्टेट यूजुअली इन द ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री है ना ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री है ना क्लोवर where crops are not consumed for food are grown for sale in the distant market में sale करा जाए है ना crops को rather than local consumption such crops include cotton coffee tobacco है ना कौन cotton coffee tobacco sugarcane sisal and various oil seeds and rubber trees farms that produce alfalfa Lespedeza clover and other forage crops जोड़ा कि are usually not called the plantations. The term plantations has usually not included large orchards, but has included the planting of trees for lumber. A plantation is always monoculture over a large area. Large area does not include extensive naturally occurring stands plants that have economic value, particularly जो always in monoculture area doesn't include extensive naturally occurring stands plant that have economic value है plantation crops जेमती particular आमे कहबा कि खाली sugar cane नो है sugar cane सांगो को भी आमे जेटा कहू that is your cotton also है cotton भी तमरो mainly also your plantation crops है लेगुन कथा जो देखिए ब्राकिस वाटर लेगुन जदि हम देखिए दिस इज आवर चिल्का लेक बेसिकली है चिल्का लेक जोटा कि ऑफ ओडिशा इज द लार्जेस्ट कोस्टल लेगुन इन द इंडिया है चिल्का लेक is a coastal lagoon lake in India. ठीक है चिल्का जदि मैं एठी ड्रा करछि चिल्का है जस्ट हमर एठी थ्री साइड इट इज सराउंडेड बाय वाटर बॉडीज है चिल्का को भी हमें कहबा लेक भी कहा जाए इट इज लेगून भी देखो इट इज लेगुन भी आल्सो कहाउछ चिल्का को भी लेगुन कहाउछ है और एक्सप्लेन करबी लेगुन कोनटा चिल्का इज द लार्जेस्ट लेगुन इन एशिया है सबटु बड़ लेगुन हला चिल्का एंड इज द लार्जेस्ट विंटरिंग ग्राउंड फॉर माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स पे द माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स जो कि फार अवे फ्रॉम साइबेरिया दे केम टू दिस चिल्का है इट इज आल्सो सपोर्ट्स ए unique life of marine brackish and freshwater species marine brackish and freshwater species को चिल्का mainly ठीक है चिल्का मेन को बोलछे marine brackish and freshwater fish को चिल्का mainly support अच्छा लेगुन माने गोटे जिनस हम कहबी this is your land mass and this is your water body है land mass and this is your water body so water body एटा ला तीन पटो एटा पानी घेरी के अछि है land mass and water body सो चिल्का को भी लेगुन भी कह जाए लेक भी कहले किछि माने जनरली लोकल थिंग इट इज लेक कह जाए बट जब तमे इको टूरिज्म रा साइट को जाएंगे हमें देखि परियो ताले चिल्का इज लेगुन है चिल्का को जनरली लेगुन रो मान्यता दिया है आ लेगुन रो actually definition एटा a particularly water mass which is surrounded by your water body which is surrounded by your water mass from three sides like तीन side ru your घेरी की रही that is like water mass three side ru घेरी की रही that is your land mass land mass घेरी रही तीन side and it is connected to water from one side गोटे side ru यार एटी की अछि जदि हम देखिबा चिल्कार ए साइड टा पर्टिकुलर हम देखुचंदी हला एटी की अछि इट इज योर बे ऑफ बंगाल हला बे ऑफ बंगाल एटी अछि जोटा कि वन साइड एटी कनेक्ट हे के अछि बे ऑफ बंगाल ओके नेक्स्ट प्रोसीड करियो India has been providing assistance to which among the following neighbors for strengthening and extension of embankments along Lal Bakeya, Bagmati and Kamla rivers. Which among the following neighbors for strengthening and extension of embankments along the Lal Bakeya, Bagmati and Kamla rivers. कहाँ को इंडिया असिस्टेंस देची बांग्लादेश नेपाल पाकिस्तान एंड म्यांमार दिस इज योर आंसर इज योर नेपाल फॉलोइंग नेबर्स को देची नेक्स्ट व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग स्प्रेड्स फ्रॉम सासाराम एंड रोहतास सासाराम एंड रोहतास इन वेस्टर्न बिहार टू चित्तौड़गढ़ इन राजस्थान सासाराम बिहार रू बाहरिकी किए चित्तौड़गढ़ इन राजस्थान को जाए पर्टिकुलरली अरावली सिस्टम विंध्या सिस्टम धारावाड़ एंड कडप्पा इट इज योर विंध्यन सिस्टम है देखिए ना आंसर अच्छा मुझे लाल बकेया बागमती और कमला रिवर्स है इंडिया शेयर्स विथ नेपाल है जदि मुझे ठीक डायग्राम गोटे कर जस्ट 1 सेकेंड लालबतिया बागमती एंड दिस इज कमला रिवर गंगा रिवर इटू बाहर की जाउची दिस इज योर लाल बकेया इज दिस इज योर लाल बकेया एंड दिस इज बागमती दिस इज कमला रिवर है दियर द मेन आउ इटा हला तमरो मेन स्ट्रीम ऑफ गंगा तीनटा जंक रिवर लाल बकेया बागमती एंड कमला दे ऑल आर ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द नेपाल समस्त नेपाल रू ही बाहर चुंदी लाल बकेया बागमती और कमला है दे आर द वेरी हिमालयन रिवर्स जो माने वेरी स्ट्रेंथ रिवर्स है से रिवर का बहुत स्ट्रेंथ एंड पर्टिकुलरली इंडिया मान संगे माने नेपाल संगे मिसिकी एठी हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्रोडक्शंस को है हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर generations particularly roche hydroelectric power generation India it korche hydroelectric power लाल बकेया बागमती और कमला रिवर नेपाल और इंडिया गवर्नमेंट वर्तमान जंती मैक्सिमम they took the harnessing the power of this one जोटा कि this is country bilateral relations in both the countries they are good and also they are having all the your trade exchanges in terms of your power transfers Vindhya system जो देखिए Vindhya system stretches from Sasaram and Rohtas Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan है बिहार रो सासाराम और रोहतास है सासाराम और रोहतास इन द पर्टिकुलर सासाराम और रोहतास इन द वेस्टर्न बिहार ठीक अच्छे बिहार नहीं टू चित्तौड़गढ़ इन राजस्थान राजस्थान चित्तौड़गढ़ these rocks came into existence when after the Kadapa rocks. These rocks came into existence after the Kadapa rocks. These sedimentary rocks which are built from the Kudu sandstone, shale and limestone. ये जो sedimentary rocks they build from your sandstone, shale और limestone. Sandstone, shale और limestone मैंने particularly बनचुन है sandstone, shale and limestone. Vindhyan rock system is one of the oldest rock system जोटा कि कहा जाए कि विंध्यारा origin during the Paleozoic time है ना Paleozoic time जदि हम देखिए हम geological time scale रो है ना Paleozoic time rate देखा हो विंध्यान rock system. Next equity, consider the following UMPPP projects and their respective states. That is your Talaiya in Odisha, Sashan in Madhya Pradesh, Vedavahal in Jharkhand. Which of the above is correctly matched? Talaiya in Odisha, this is wrong. Sassan, Madhya Pradesh is correct. Vedabhal in Jharkhand, it is also wrong. Correctly match देखिए only 1 2 correct, only 2 correct, only 3, so only it is only 2 correct. B for Bombay. Answer. Which of the following in India have given evidence of occurrence of uranium in India? Occurrence of uranium कोटी Aravalli in Rajasthan, Bhima Basin in Karnataka, Son Valley in Uttar Pradesh. कोटी है uranium रो deposition हमारा chance होची uranium deposition रो. First वाला कोटे Aravalli belt in Rajasthan, Bhima in Karnataka and Son Valley in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh रो Son Valley है ना यदि हम देखिए है ना these are all it likely to be it is यदि तमरा uranium मिलुची then your answer is D for Delhi है ना these all particular 3 states Rajasthan, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh है ना respectively the evidence of your uranium depositions particularly है ना uranium में सब जगह ही इठी मिलुची. देखिए ना डिस्कशन रे अल्ट्रा मेगा पावर जो देखिए इज a large size projects basically approximately 4000 megawatt each capacity. तलैया अल्ट्रा मेगा पावर प्रोजेक्ट जोटा अछि जरा कि झारखंड रे है जेटा हम लिखली तलैया है तलैया अल्ट्रा मेगा पावर UMPPP है UMPP अल्ट्रा मेगा पावर प्रोजेक्ट ठीक अछि जरा कि झारखंड रे अछि है was recently in news. It was because abandoned by the original owner Reliance Power है ना original owner जो Reliance Power तको abandon करछे and it is likely to देखियो it is likely to be auction afresh है ना पुणी आउथरे auction हबार बहुत चांसेस अछि. बेड़ाबहाल UMPP located जदि कहबो है बेड़ाबहाल UMPP it is near Sundargarh district of Odisha. ठीक अच्छे जदि कहि बेड़ा बहाल प्रोजेक्ट जोटा कि आमर अच्छी कोठी इट इज ओडिशार है ओडिशार कोठी पश्चिम ओडिशार दैट इज योर सुंदरगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट अच्छा ये देखिए पुणी बेड़ा बहाल परे जदि देखिए ससन ससन प्रोजेक्ट जोटा अच्छी ना ससन प्रोजेक्ट इज इन दिस इज इन द मध्य प्रदेश है ससन प्रोजेक्ट दिस इज इन द मध्य प्रदेश मेनली है ससन इज इन योर मध्य प्रदेश रे ससन ससन है मध्य प्रदेश रे मेनली अच्छी ससन अच्छा सो बर्तमान देखिए नेक्स्ट रे ता पूर्व क्वेश्चन टा यदि देखिए दैट इज ए पर क्वेश्चन दैट इज एविडेंस ऑफ अकरेंस ऑफ यूरेनियम इन इंडिया ना यूरेनियम इन इंडिया जदि देखिए कोथरे अच्छी आरावली भी अच्छी भीमा और सोन आरावली भीमा सोन रे देखिए बर्तमान तारा that is AMD has so far established that is your 1,97,621 ton in situ that is reserves of that is where it is 22,600 tons has been added in the financial year 2012-13 and 13-14 till okay so it देखिए कि 13 out 6 रे has been added during the financial year 2012-13 yes madam good afternoon I'm class में again हाँ कौन थे मैडम मोर ई सरी किस समय भीतर कौन है मैडम मोर अच्छी ना डिस्कशन मु आसुची देखिए मोर ओ मास्टर अच्छी ओ मास्टर मैडम मु इना कटक रे अच्छी मु क्लास वाला पर फोन करछ आपन हां क्लास वाला पर additional uranium reserves has been recently established and Tumapalli and Chitrel in Andhra Pradesh particularly है जदि हम देखिबा 1,97,621 tons of situ जोटा कि रिजर्व अछि 22,611 tons basically has been in the financial year 2012-13 and 13-14 है basically additional uranium reserves has been recently established in Tumapalli and in Chitrail in Andhra Pradesh. These are the two important regions, that is your Tumlapalli and your Chitrail in Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है and Rohili in Rajasthan and this Bandungri and Singidungri north extension in Jharkhand. Particularly these are the places जोटा कि Bandungri, Sindungri, these are all Bandungri, Sindungri extension in the Jharkhand. And सेमती आउ गोटे कोठी अछि मेघालय रे भी अछि that is मेघालय रे जदि देखिबो that is Wahakut मेघालय रे it is Wahakut and Umthongkut Wahakut, Umthongkut and Lostoin. Wahakut, Umthongkut and Lostoin. They all are in the particularly Koti. They are in the Meghalaya. Meghalaya समस्त अच्छे Wahakut, Umthongkut and Meghalaya. So ये हमें गोटे जिन कौन जान ये सब जो डिस्कशन आम कर पर्टिकुलरली एथरे हमको गोटे जिन मार्क करार अच्छी कि एलॉन्ग विथ सच डिस्कशन अदर थिंग्स आम कौन जमी तुमलापल्ली पाइले जमी वाहाकुट उमांकुट पाइले है जमी राजस्थान रोहिल पाइले चित्रिला इन आंध्र प्रदेश है तो दिस टाइप ऑफ सच टाइप ऑफ डिस्कशंस हमर कौन रहे दिस इज वेरी मच हेल्पफुल इन पर्टिकुलर नोइंग द पर्टिकुलर प्लेसेस को जगह कौन टा अच्छे सेम जदि है एति क्वेश्चंस है मुझे किसी जिन देखा जमी ये क्वेश्चन आम डिस्कस कले ये क्वेश्चन आम यहाँ पाइले कि जदि आम अल्ट्रा मेगा पावर रिजर्व्स डिस्कशन कर वी कैन एबल टू नो व्हिच आर द प्लेसेस वेयर है को जगह कौन टा अच्छे जोटा कि आमको भी दिस इज ऑल्सो भी हेल्पफुल टू नो है को जगह मेगा पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड व्हाट आर दे आर हेल्पफुल है अच्छा नेक्स्ट जदि आम देखिए ये देखा कि ये टाइप क्वेश्चन जमी आरावली विंध्या सिस्टम कि बांग्लादेश म्यांमार तो दिस इज द ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल आमको रहा डिस्कशन कले विल गेट इट मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आउ क्वेश्चन ओरिएंटेशन भी आम जानी परिबा को जगह कौन अच्छी कौन पे है दैट इज ऑल्सो भी हेल्पफुल टू दिस ठीक अच्छे ये टाइप डिस्कशंस रे मु गोटे जिन कहबी कि मैक्सिमम एनालिटिकल पार्ट को आम देले बहुत गुड़े क्वेश्चंस गोटे क्वेश्चन भी अलग जिन गुड़ा भी आमको बहुत जगह भी आमको आइडियाज मिल जाव से आइडिया ही आमको हेल्प करे पर्टिकुलरली देखो ट्रिक्स टाइम मेन काम करे जोटा कि आइडियाज आमको हेल्प करिवो कि ना कि फर्दर जदि यही ओरिएंटेशन रो पर्टिकुलरली जदि यही ओरिएंटेशन रो क्वेश्चन पढुची हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टैकल दोस थिंग्स है पर्टिकुलरली ठीक अच्छे ये ओरिएंटेशन रो क्वेश्चन जदि आछे आमे केमते तक टैकल करिया ठीक अच्छे so I would like to extend thank you all of you and all the best we'll meet again thank you all of you